paper airplane distance and material. Our group's members are Tomohiro Endo, Ryota Koyama, Ryuhyo Hosonuma, Yuri Ohashi, Aika Ota. Our goal is researching the materials of paper airplanes. There are many kinds of paper around us. Our group decided to research what materials for paper airplanes is the best and compare how good or what each material was flying.
Introduction. We throw away some kinds of paper and measure the flying distance. In this way, we decide the best paper for making airplane. We have a goal. It is to find out what paper airplane need to fly far away. We research it by changing material of paper.
Alter method. We prepare 4 kinds of paper airplanes. We throw them 3 times at a time by hand and machine. We get averages of flying distances. We consider what paper airplanes need to fly far away in the material from the result. We selected 4 kinds of paper: normal paper, art paper, sketch paper, and envelope paper. Their sizes and folding were the same. First, one person throws paper airplanes by hand and machine 3 times each. Second, 2 people measure the distance flying paper airplanes. Third, one person records the results in Excel. Finally, we get averages of each.
Result below you can see a table showing our data. The result using machine and using hand. The result using machine and using hand. Blue is first, orange is second, gray is third. Normal paper using hand 355 centimeters. Using machine 444 centimeters. Envelope paper using hand 305 centimeters. Using machine 395 centimeters. Art paper using hand 412 centimeters. Using machine 692 centimeters. Sketch paper 523 centimeters. Using machine 727 centimeters. Conclusions: sketch paper airplane and art paper airplane was flying long distance. Paper airplane needs some how and some way to fly long distance. Thank you for listening.